Hi, I'm Valerie, and today we're going to go over how to use your Topi-CLICK Perl. Before getting started, be sure to wash your hands with soap and water. The Topi-CLICK Perl is designed to deliver medication accurately, consistently, and with minimal mess. Each device can hold up to 30 grams of medication and includes a clearly marked refill line to help you know when it's time to request your next refill. When the medication reaches the line below the word refill, you'll have about 32 clicks remaining. When the medication is above the word refill, you'll have about 12 clicks left. For vaginal medications, such as creams or suppositories, it's generally recommended to plan to lie down for 10 to 15 minutes after application. This helps minimize the leakage and lets the medication absorb properly. Start by opening the cap by placing your thumb under the tab of the protective outer cap and gently press upward. Keep the device upright and attach the applicator to the receptor port on the dispenser. Twist the base until you hear a click. Each click delivers a measured dose of 0.25 grams, also known as a quarter of a gram. After twisting, allow the device to remain upright for 15 to 30 seconds so the medication can fully dispense into the applicator. Once filled, gently tilt and remove the applicator from the dispensing port. Get into a comfortable position and then slowly insert the applicator into the vagina as far as comfortable. Slowly press the plunger to release the medication. Then remove the applicator. As a reminder, we recommend you lie down for 15 to 30 minutes after inserting the medication. After use, clean the applicator with warm and soapy water and allow it to dry completely. If needed, you can gently wipe the top of the Topi-CLICK device with a paper towel or tissue and then replace the cap securely. Be sure to wash your hands immediately and thoroughly after each use. Store your Topi-CLICK Perl in an upright position away from heat, moisture, and direct sunlight. Remember to always keep it out of reach of children and pets. Here's some troubleshooting tips if your medication doesn't dispense right away. There might be a small amount of air trapped inside the device. To fix this, hold the device in an upright position and gently tap it on a flat, level surface. Remove the cap and then twist the base until an even amount of medication dispenses. Wipe away any excess medication and your device is ready to use. Thank you for joining us. If you have any additional questions, please reach out at strivepharmacy.com.